Welcome to our interactive website. Click on any of our 3 magazines to read them online. Scroll down to see our special sections like Home and Design, Dining, just to name a few. See your business featured here. All the ads are hyperlinked directly to your website. Everyone loves a great deal. Check out our Deals and Steals page. Print your coupon and redeem. It's that simple. Planning a meal? Visit our online recipe book. All the recipes are printable and shareable. If you have a favorite, just go to our website and share it with us. One of our favorites is the crispy zucchini blossom stuffed with goat cheese. Check it out. Have fun exploring our website.